welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of exploratory data analysis (EDA). What is EDA? Now, data analysis might sound intimidating, but EDA is actually all about understanding your data before diving headfirst into complex models. Think of it as being a detective investigating a dataset to uncover hidden clues and patterns. Throughout this video, we'll explore the many benefits of EDA, like understanding your data, gaining valuable insights into what your data actually looks like and how it's structured, identifying patterns and trends, discovering hidden connections and relationships within your data, like trends over time or correlations between variables, spotting outliers, identifying data points that deviate significantly from the norm, which could potentially skew your analysis, guiding further analysis, informing your decisions about what statistical tests to use, what modeling techniques might be best, and even which data points are most important to focus on, communicating effectively, telling the story of your data through compelling visualizations, making it easier for others to understand your findings. We'll break down the typical stages of EDA. Data loading and understanding, getting familiar with your data and its basic characteristics. Univariate analysis, examining individual data points and their distributions. Bivariate analysis, exploring relationships between two variables. Multivariate analysis, uncovering connections and patterns among multiple variables. Data cleaning and pre-processing, preparing your data for further analysis. Data visualization, bringing data to life with powerful visuals. Are you ready to unlock the secrets within your data? Join me on this exciting journey as we delve into each stage of EDA, one video at a time. If you'd like to learn more about data science and computer science, I've written a detailed blog post on the subject that you can check out on my Medium page. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on my content, consider subscribing to this channel and checking out my Medium page for more in-depth articles on data science and related topics. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more data science insights. Thank you so much for watching.